Here's a quick video showing two of Preno's key automations, auto payments and auto emails. Now these can be set up so as soon as a booking comes in, you don't have to do anything. As I can see, a booking has just come in and it's automatically blocked off availability on all of my channels. If you take a look here, you can see that I have a few guests in-house, a few arriving today, as well as some forward bookings. If I click on this forward booking that just came in, I can see all of the automations that have already happened. For example, they booked a late checkout and it automatically splits out the extra so I can track it in my reporting, so I can see exactly how many upsells I'm doing as well as how much I'm making. I've also set up a series of automated emails which go out exactly when I want them to. As soon as a booking came in, I sent a confirmation email which is branded according to Thomas's Hotel's branding, and it's personalized to the guest. So we have these tags that can personalize it and include things such as their name, the number of nights, the dates they're staying, and the dollar amount. If you go into your free trial, you can see quite a few tags, so you can customize the email however you like and ensure that you don't have to send another manual email again. It's important to note that if a guest replies to these emails, it just goes to your regular inbox. Now, I've also sent a couple other emails to my guests, such as a pre-stay reminder, a confirmation of their checkout with a receipt attached, and then the day after they leave, I follow up and ask for a review on TripAdvisor. This is a great way to get not only upsells, but reviews, and that increases your online exposure. I've also asked them to come back in 3 months' time. And then the other component of automation that happens straight away is auto payments. So as soon as the booking came in, it automatically took a 50% deposit, which is my policy at Thomas's Hotel. It notifies me if for some reason there weren't sufficient funds on their card, but Stripe automatically validates that it's a legitimate card when it takes payment. I also can set up rules such as I want to make sure that all payment is taken before the guest arrives. Now, in your free trial, you won't be able to see this, but once you sign up, you'll be able to see that you can create rules according to your payment policies. For example, you can set up a rule to take virtual credit cards of Booking.com, so you don't have to go in and manually find the booking and process it as soon as the virtual credit card becomes available. It's also worth noting that as soon as a payment comes in, we can automate your invoicing with Xero. However, I've gone into more detail on this in another video. But bottom line, as soon as the booking comes in, it blocks off the availability on online channels, it automates your emails, it automates your payments, and as soon as the booking comes in, you don't have to do anything at all. You can just focus on your guests in-house and relax.